Hi guys, welcome to my channel TK Electronics. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe it. So whenever I upload new video, you should get used to it immediately. So today I have got SHURE PGX wireless transmitter PGX2. See, for repair. Okay. So in this, it's not getting on. So maybe the power switch. How to replace the power switch in this? We'll check it out now. So batteries are the new batteries are these are the new batteries, but even though power is not getting on, so we'll check the battery voltage. See 1.5, also 1.5. So batteries is good, so it is not getting on. Maybe the switch will, how to replace the switch, we'll try to see in this video. See now, it's not getting on. It should supposed to be get. So we'll dismantle this out. So we'll take it out this one. First remove this two screw, so this will come out. So we'll take it out this one. This is the cap. This will fit in this like this. So now cartridge. So there is a switch over here. Take this out. Okay guys, this is how to remove this circlip over here. We need to remove the circlip. This remove, so it will come out now. See, come out. So this is a switch. So we'll see how to replace this switch. We'll remove out the switch. So this is a switch. We'll remove the switch out. I'll remove the switch. Yeah guys, I removed the old one, so this is the new one I am putting now. We'll replace the faulty switch with the new one. Okay. Yeah guys, so I'm soldering the new switch. I soldered the new switch. Now we'll put it back. Check. Put this back, same as it is, how it was before. Use circlip. It should be perfectly fitted in that slot. It should go properly in the slot. Okay, then put this one. Put this first inside like this, and this should be like this. See now, it's okay. So we'll put the screws back over here. This one first should go like this. Before putting, should be very careful, like this. Correct. Screws, backside screws, these two screws. This also. Okay guys, now we'll put back the cartridge. So put the screws, put the batteries back, cover it, check. It's on. See, it's on. This is mute, this is off. See, it's on now. Before it was not on. So like this we can change the switch of the SHURE PGX2 wireless transmitter. This is wireless transmitter, SHURE company. So guys, thank you for watching my video and kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye.